We're going to lose it, but we're doing the same thing, but we're doing it with plastics.
That slow.
And
I have one of those.
There's the structure, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Yeah. It's basically, and they're on the seam, and they're hanging on the point. This is where the big ones are. Like,
I like the big
we won't catch anything under 18.
Really?
Yeah. All the active big fish. This is like the primo spot for them to be able to hit bait and not be onslaughted with current. And
yeah.
It's getting to the temp though where they're gonna pull out of here. So
And go to the holes.
Yeah.
That's why I was gonna say I bet you that corner might be freaking good.
But it's
right
been
now.
consistent though. That's the thing.
They'll still be here. They get this warm days with this water. And what's the water temp at? I wonder 36 maybe.
We'll turn it on a little bit. I like to catch a fish first without it. So you can kind of see the seam. So we're seeing fish. We'll start here and then we'll do one bump back a little bit. And then after we bump back, then we'll go.
Is this a flat here? What's this look like?
It just kind of dishes a little bit. You got kind of this. We're in like 12.
Far enough?
Yeah, that's good. Let her sink, and then you just want to pick it up and
Well, I see the sieve here.
reel super slow. Big ones don't like current, dude. I want that laziness. Oh, that one kind of sucks for this though. We'll hold down there really good because of the current. We're gonna kind of toss her out a little bit. Yeah, you could totally use those baits here.
Maybe pitch them like up towards the bank and bring them down, or on
Yeah.
the rocks and bring them down.
There's like one or two things in here.
Wood?
Yeah. Wood or tangly rocks. Like lone rocks that you end up getting stuck on a little bit. Nothing crazy though. Usually get your bait off.
Fishy?
Sucks. Good, came off. Wasn't the right kind. You know, you can feel that like where it runs into something, and then all of a sudden it's there. Big old scale.
Oh, it was a fish.
Yeah, it started taking off. I'm
That's
like,
a big one. That was
nope.
a huge scale.
Get tap back there, we'll bump back a little bit. Since it's down a little bit, they're probably holding a little bit deeper.
This is real soft right here.
Yeah, it's this muddy shit.
Real
Yeah,
soft.
but off the tip of that, it's pretty
That's
rocky. Like, you can basically take what's there on the shore, and that's like what's underneath.
Okay. Kind of transitions. That's kind of the key, huh?
Yeah, it typically holds from that, and the fact that you got that push current right there. That little fin kind of holds water right there, so it's like the front of a wing dam kind of a deal. So they might actually be. It was running the last time I was out here. That's interesting. I'm just trying to see if we get hit by the boat. So last time we overran and they were actually under the boulder and then filling the boat. But there was more current. Now it's actually died down a little bit. Yep, that's got hit right there.
No shit.
Yeah. Sure did.
Closer to the boat, huh? That's fish.
Yep. Make sure you swim it all the way back. You're probably all the way back.
Well, you were right about the size. That's a good sized fish.
There we go.
I got a big fish. Heavy fish.
Yeah.
I hope it's a walleye.
25 and a 27.
It felt like it's really big. It felt like it bit.
Is it dumping it on?
Yeah.
Oh.
I just lost it.
No!
I feel it.
I hope that was a carp.
I hope so too,
Yeah.
dude. It wasn't running like a carp. That's the only thing.
Oh, that's probably dang near 20.
Okay, it was a carp. We're good.
Okay, good.
Thank God.
There we go. We on them.
I'm so happy that was a carp. I just wasn't sure. Felt like it could have been a big walleye, but
Yeah. Yeah, definitely make sure you put it is kind of slow going.
Suffix.
Hmm?
Suffix?
No, this is Berkeley Fusion.
Oh, it's the Fusion.
That's how I.
You like
all
it?
I used to.
You're a Fusion fan, huh?
I don't like the reason why I don't like I did want 832 for a while. Yeah, they're even like it's too supple, and the wind knots I couldn't handle. Like today it wouldn't be a big deal, but you're fishing at any kind of a. Oh yeah,
It's a big fish.
it's got some weight.
Yeah.
Well, it's faster head shake, so it's like low sometimes.
It's weird how you can tell when you get those
Yeah.
smaller head shakes. It's gonna be a good one though.
It's feisty though, active.
That's a big
Oh yeah, that's a fucking hog, dude. That's totally misleading.
Yeah, that's big.
Oh my god.
26er, huh?
Oh yeah, I think so. 20, maybe it's the 25 we caught the other day. Let's see. Speed a little bit. I'll get a little bit closer. Got it. Oh yeah. Fuck yeah, dude. That's a big fish.
I get a picture of it for you too.
You want to see that?
No, I'll get a picture of you holding it here. Yeah, that's a big one. That's what people dream of.
There you go.
It's 26er, ain't it?
Looks
like
more
it.
in here, dude. Let's show chat quick. Look at that one.
Is that good? Did you break it?
What's that?
Oh, is that big one? Did you break it? Score. You break it? It's so big. You broke the score.
Broke the score.
You never watched what's it called? Grandma's Boy. New high score. What's that mean? Did I break it?
26 on the nuts, dude.
How do you want to take it?
Probably where you are with the sun, you think?
Yeah, I just need the right light here. Just so you want to exactly see. I think if we face it towards that way, we're good.
Just like this.
Yep.